East Coast. What's wrong with coasting? Oh, the Dutch. Anyway, we did it in Chicago last year, and I thought, well, let's take it to the East Coast. And the idea is to, the program is a little less song-based and a little more violin playing, creating textures sort of idea. There will be some songs. I'm doing a lot of new stuff because I'm working on a new record. But first I'm going to do an old song because it helps me stretch out a little bit. This is called Why.
Did
speeches you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing. I said, why'd you do that? And you're like, why'd I do what? I'm just sitting here. Everything's just fine. I'm just catching the show. And she said, why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? I seem to provoke you. Rest on another chance that don't tell me how. Can't you see what kind of seeds you're sowing? Damn you for being so easygoing.